Thank you, Evika. So now it's time for the final round of family activity, where we'll see definitely some great moves and hear some melodious voice of our parents along with their kids. These parents were the winner of family sports activity. We will have the family activity after ma'am's speech, so I request.
Let the parents assemble, by the time we have.
So, sorry for the interruption. These parents were the winners of the family sports activity conducted on 23rd of January. So I request, I'll call out the names of the children. The parents of the children, please assemble near the stage. The first one is Kathleen Maria from Lily, Nursery Lily. Aditi Patil from Lily. Anand Subramaniam from Lotus. Kanisha from Rose. Shubham Biswal from Rose. And Shesha Shivangi from Playgroup. Now I request our Academic Director Shada ma'am to address the audience. Okay. So ma'am will speak after the family activity. So we'll continue the family activity. Are the parents ready? For this family activity, we have our few grandparents as the judges. They will judge the parents on the parameters of rhythm, coordination, creativity. The judges of today's event is Mr. Murli. Please give a huge round of applause for Mr. Murli. Mr. Bal Krishna Nair. And Mr. Vidyan Reddy. So should we start the family activity? I request the parent of Kathleen to be on the stage. This activity, parents please note the timings of 1.5 minutes. The music will be stopped at 1.5 minutes. I request the parent to be at the center of the stage. Are you ready, ma'am? Can we have the music, please?
Oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, hey, oh Maria Pitache, hey, oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, hey, oh Maria Pitache. Oh, yeah. Barra da tamam meluzi, istretti compri. Barra da tamam meluzi, istretti compri. Alegna entrada miluzi, triste na sair. Alegna entrada miluzi, triste na sair. Hey! Por amor da voz miluzi, eu fico saudade. Por amor da voz miluzi, eu fico saudade. Fazer a sentinela miluzi, levar chicotada. Fazer a sentinela miluzi, levar chicotada. Oh Maria Pitache, 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 oh Maria Pitache. Anda Maria dança. Rapariga vem me luzir, não se pode nascer. Rapariga vem me luzir, não se pode nascer. Como a pera verde me luzir, não se pode comer. Como a pera...
Wow. Please give a huge round of applause. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I request you to please be on the stage. Kathleen and her mother. Ma'am, I request you to please be on the stage. The next parent coming is Aditi Patil and her mother, Varsha. Are you ready, ma'am? Can we have the music, please?
इतनी सी हंसी
Parents, please applaud for them.
इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियाँ इतनी सी हंसी इतनी सी खुशी इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियाँ
दबे दबे पाँव से आए हौले हौले जिंदगी होठों पे कंघी चढ़ा के हम ताले लगा के चल गुमसुम तराने चुप के गाए आधी आधी बात ले आजा दिल की ये ज़मीं थोड़ा सा तेरा सा होगा थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा अपना ये आशियाँ
इतनी सी हंसी इतनी सी खुशी इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियाँ
Wow, it was really so sweet. Now I request Anant with his mom, Miss Sudha, to be on the stage. Anant is from Lotus section. Can we have the music, please?
दिल है छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा चांद तारों को छूने की आशा आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा दिल है छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं हर कोशिश में हो बार बार करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं
Wow, that was not only the steps were coordinated, but the costumes as well. Now I request Kanisha from Rose section and her mother to be on the stage, please. Are you ready, ma'am? Can we have the music, please?
ஒரு தெய்வம் தந்த பூவே கண்ணில் தேடல் என்ன தாயே ஒரு தெய்வம் தந்த பூவே
Beautiful. Definitely your daughter loves you a lot, ma'am. Now I request Shivam from Rose section to be on the stage, and the parents of Shivam, please. Are you ready, sir? Can we have the music, please?
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। हे देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं। हाँ हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही, जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए दिखराओ। चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले। मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले।
Wow, that was really nice. Now, last but not the least, Shesha Shivangi from Playgroup and her parents. Can I request them to be on the stage, please? Are you ready, ma'am? Can we have the music, please?
आशियाना मेरा साथ तेरे है ना, ढूंढते तेरी गली मुझको घर मिला। आबोदाना मेरा हाथ तेरे है ना, ढूंढते तेरा खुदा मुझको रब मिला। तू जो मिला लो हो गया मैं काबिल, तू जो मिला तो हो गया सब हासिल। हाँ मुश्किल सही आसा हुई मंजिल, क्योंकि तू धड़कन।
That was really wonderful. Now, as our judges will have really tough time, definitely the parents have put a lot of effort. It was really beautiful to see all the parents dancing on the stage with their children. I request the judges. Are the judges ready with the report? With the score? As the judges are taking some time, they will definitely take some time. So I request few parents, those who would not have got chance to dance on the stage for the family activity, you can please join on the stage and dance out as much as you can. I request few parents to please come on the stage. Please parents, please come up. And all the parents of participating parents also, can be on the stage. Please parents, please show some hand to come. The parents who are seated, I think you will be bored of sitting. You can come up. Please come up. Please, Pavitra ma'am, yes. Ina ma'am, Poonam ma'am. Yeah, I can see now the parents, after looking at others, they have started coming up.
Yeah,
Please
parents,
come first.
relive your childhood. Please come. Yeah, Pavitra, come. Yes. Teachers who are here, join. गलती से mistake कर लें. Please. Ah. My brigade has come. Yes. Music, please. Music. Yeah, you can spread out in the on the stage. Please spread out. Poonam. Yeah.
झटका जरा सा महसूस हुआ एक लाइफ की गाड़ी ने कस के मारा ब्रेक हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक 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 बेटा चल मसल फुलाना थोड़ी बॉडी बनाना तेरे चिकने गालों पे स्टबल की फसल उगाना अरे रे रे ओबे चल बेटा शुरू हो जा गुरु बगल उठा के थोड़ा डियो लगाना किसी बगल वाली को मर्दानी खुशबू सुंघाना चल ऊपर के दो बटन ढीले करके बताना बालों वाला सीना दिखाना बालों वाला सीना दिखाना
Thank you parents. I request the participant parents to be on the stage itself. As all the parents have put in a lot of efforts in making their kids learn the dance and they themselves also came and danced. So there is no first, second and third. Before that, I request Shada ma'am, Nandini ma'am and Vibhu ma'am to please come on the stage with our judges to give away the prizes. Please give a huge round of applause for our judges. The prize goes to Shesha Shivangi from Playgroup. Kanisha. Kanisha from Rose section. And Kathleen from Lily section. But as all the parents have put lot of efforts, we will not allow the other three parents to go without the gift. So I request the parent of Shubham Biswal also to come forward to receive a token of thanks. Anand Subramanian. And Aditi Patil. Please parents give a huge round of applause for them. Aditi. Thank you, parents. Thank you so much. Thank you, judges. Now I request Shada ma'am to be on the stage, please. We would definitely like to hear a lot of words and a story from ma'am.
Respected grandparents, darling parents, teachers and children, very warm good afternoon to all of you. I will not take much of your time because the next set of parents and the children are getting ready. I have a very, very small anecdote to share it with you all, that's all. Long time back, I was sharing a story with my son who was 3 years old then. Now he is of your age. It's about a dog which will have a curly tail. And everybody will tell the dog that you have a very curly tail, you don't have a tail at all. Look at our tail, we have got a big tail, long tail, we can actually wag our tail. You can't do anything with your tail at all. So then there will be one day one big event happening, the dog with the longest tail to get 6 bones and 6 medals. So every dog in the city will be brushing up their tail, wagging their tail, polishing their tail, and walking and showing off their tail. But this little doggy with the curly tail is seated in the corner of the entire city and crying that I have a very small little curly tail which doesn't look like I have a tail at all. Then everyone will laugh at her. And on the day of event, judges come, each dog comes onto the dais, each dog's tail is measured, and the judges say, only this, only this, only this. All the dogs get over, still the judges are not happy. They see this little doggy with the curly tail in the corner, they say that, hey, come here. She says, no, I will not come. No, you have to come here. So she walks very slowly. Then they say that we want to measure your tail. She says, no, I have a very small tail. No, 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 we will measure. They pulled the tail, pulled and 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 pulled. It is the longest tail. So the dog with the curly tail got the 6 medals and 6 bones. I read this story. My 3-year-old son really used to enjoy. Now that 3-year-old son became like you, 32, and he has a 3-year-old son, my grandson. I told the same story to my grandson. And first thing he told, what is this party? Don't you know? You should have told the dog to use mummy's straightener. Then it will not have any kind of problem at all. No, you should have told that. Now I am taken aback. My son never told me this. Now my grandson tells me that I can straighten the dog's tail. All the while I have been under the impression you can never straighten a dog's tail. Now, the Gen Z or whatever you call is here. They are more informed than us. So it is up to us what we inform them. It is up to us how much of our fears we transfer to them. Are we going to make them scary, or are we going to allow them to have their own happiness and this kind of innocence so that they will carry their happiness? The moment we transfer our fears to them, the moment we transfer our whatever knowledge to them, which they don't require at this time, they will lose this happiness. Let them enjoy the age-appropriate knowledge, age-appropriate growth, age-appropriate surprises, age-appropriate willingness, age-appropriate everything, so that the happiness continues. We all have to have the happiness, and we will all be, you, me, everyone will be happy only if these children are happy. So let's together make them happy to be happy. Looking forward for all of you to have a very happy life. Thank you very much for listening.
A very good afternoon to one and all present here today. On behalf of the entire GT team, I, Sandhya, take this opportunity to present the vote of thanks. An event like this cannot happen overnight. Hence, I sincerely thank our academic director, Sharda ma'am, for her constant encouragement through her words of inspiration. Our CEO Nandini ma'am for her valuable support, and our HM Vibhudata ma'am for her dedication and perseverance, and all the dear teachers who have put in a lot of effort to make this show a great success. I also take this opportunity to thank the admin and support staff who have helped us a lot to put up this show. Last but not the least, my sincere thanks to all of you, my dear parents, and the little ones of nursery and playgroup who have made this event a great success. Now I request you all to rise for the national anthem.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Now I request all the parents to collect their kids from their respective classes and vacate the school campus as soon as possible to avoid the traffic, because our next batch of parents will arrive in a short while.